To run your application on different operating systems like Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, you need to generate separate builds for each platform. Each OS has unique runtime requirements, dependencies, and executable formats. For example, a Windows.exe file won't run on Linux or Mac OS unless you compile it specifically for those systems. With .NET, you can create cross-platform applications using framework-dependent or self-contained deployments, allowing your software to run seamlessly on multiple environments. To configure the deployment process for generating platform-specific builds in .NET, you need to specify the target runtime and deployment mode. Using the .NET Publish command with the runtime option, you can generate builds for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Additionally, you can configure deployment settings in the csproj file to define runtime identifiers, enable single-file publishing, and specify whether the application should be self-contained or framework-dependent. Automating the deployment process with scripts or multiple .NET Publish commands ensures that your application is ready to run across different environments efficiently.